now you see the two specimens, and if you see from this side, so this is the section of like this. This is the sagittal section. This one also sagittal section. That means we can see the structures from the lateral side. What we can see? I will show the two important pouches. One is uterovesical pouch and another one is rectouterine pouch. And for male, there is no uterovesical pouch. Instead of that, we will get the rectovesical pouch. So this is the specimen. There is no uterus in between. This is rectum. If you close it, it is rectum, and this lower part is the anal canal. This is anal canal, interior, this is rectum, inside. So this is rectum and this is urinary bladder. This one is urinary cavity and this is prostate, this one, thick one. So between the rectum and urinary bladder in front, here is the pouch. This pouch is called the rectovesical pouch, this one, rectovesical pouch. And if you are asked what are the contents or which structure lies in this rectovesical pouch, the answer will be the small intestine and sigmoid colon. Why? Because both the small intestine, that means jejunum and ileum, they are having a fold of peritoneum called the mesentery. And for the sigmoid colon also having a fold of peritoneum called the sigmoid mesocolon. So these two structures, sigmoid colon and the small gut, they are mobile. Because of this, the rectovesical pouch may contain the parts of the small intestine and also the parts of the small gut here. But if you come to this specimen here, here you will get the rectum and here is the anal canal, this lowermost part. This is rectum and behind rectum is the sacrum, this one, and anteriorly this is urinary bladder, this one. And in between these two, this is the cut section of the uterus. And can you see the fallopian tubes, this one, then ovary. So it is uterus, this is the corner of the uterus, it is cut. So uterus in between these two. And here is this one is the vaginal canal, this one. So here the peritoneum, after covering the superior surface, this one superior surface, reflecting from the level of internal loss or isthmus here. So this pouch in front of the uterus, in other words, between the bladder and the uterus, this is called the uterovesical pouch, this one. This pouch, uterovesical pouch. Here lies the parts of the small gut. And behind, from the supravaginal part of the cervix and even the posterior wall of the vagina, this is vagina. So this is posterior wall of vagina, this is anterior wall of the vagina. From the posterior wall of the vagina, can you see this fold? This fold reflecting onto the rectum, forming a pouch here. This pouch is called the rectouterine pouch or pouch of Douglas. If you are asked which structure lies in this pouch of Douglas, again the terminal part of the ileum and also the part of the sigmoid colon. But this pouch or rectouterine pouch is very important in case of female because the collection of fluid or blood may occur in this rectouterine pouch because this is the most dependent part of the female, particularly in standing or sitting position. So if the uterine tube ruptures in ectopic pregnancy, the blood will be accumulated in this rectouterine pouch of Douglas, or any infection inside the peritoneal cavity, that pus will be collected in the rectouterine pouch of Douglas. In that case, if you pass through the vagina, a probe through this and it enters into the rectouterine pouch. So you can draw the blood or you can draw the fluid from the uterine pouch, passing the probe through the posterior fornix or posterior wall of the vagina, it will reach this pouch here. There is a rectouterine pouch. If you compare this uterine pouch with the uterovesical pouch, this pouch it is shallow, but this pouch is deep, and this pouch having so many clinical importance. So you must remember two pouches, one in front and one in behind the uterus in case of female, and here only one pouch you will get in the male, that is between the rectum and the urinary bladder, that is rectovesical pouch. So these are the two important pouches in the pelvis.